Welcome back to Kizzy's Place.
I bought some leeks at the Asian store, and they had such huge roots that I wondered what would happen if I cut it really low down to the bottom of the leaf and put it in these jars so that the top of it is sticking out, if it might grow back. I want to use the bottom of these leeks so that I can make some soup. So I will not even post this video if I don't see some green growth.
Wow, 3 weeks went by and I almost forgot about these. And then I happened to look up and notice some of them are growing even faster than others. So I think it's time to go ahead and plant this in my garden. Okay, I got them all in the ground. And like I said, some of them look stronger than the others, but we will come back and check on these and I'll let you know how it's going. While I'm out here, I'm going to take a look at this first leek that I planted from a grocery store leek. And yeah, it's looking very strong. As you can see, the leaves have really grown, almost a foot tall. But my plan in planting this in the garden is for it to go to seed so I can get some seeds off of it. So I'm just going to leave it here just like that. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm just going to leave you with a peek at the rest of my garden. Even in the face of the very cold weather, it's still looking good. All of the greens are growing and it's probably about time to harvest some. All right, we'll see you on the next video.